Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to clean your cache data in Chrome browser. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on this three dots here. Once you're there, you click on setting. After which, you click on privacy and security. After that, you scroll down and you click on clean browsing data. So once you're there, you can simply choose the first one or you click on all of them, that you tick all of them. But I don't want to sign out my email address. That's the reason why I now click on cookies and other web data. So if I click here, I'm going to sign out with all my Gmail in my Chrome browser. So I don't want it that way. And you can also choose the time range. So I want to do it for the whole time that I created my Chrome browser, but I can still do it for 7 days or 1 hour or 24 hours or 4 weeks. So I'm going to click on all time, after which I'm going to untick this. Once I'm done with that, I will simply need to click on clean data. This might take a while, so you need to wait. So guys, we just successfully cleaned our Chrome data. So I'm going to click on OK, get it. So guys, that's it. We just completely clean it. So we are going to open a new tab. So as you can see, it is completely clean. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.